Introduction to trading. What is trading? How does it work? And why do people get involved? Hello everyone, and welcome to our trading channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of trading and explore what it is, how it works, and why so many people get involved in it. Let's get started. Trading is the activity of buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, currencies, bonds, and cryptocurrencies with the aim of making profits by taking advantage of price fluctuations. It's an exciting way to participate in the financial markets and potentially generate income. So, how does trading work? In a nutshell, traders seek to identify buying or selling opportunities in the financial markets and execute trades to capitalize on those opportunities. They use technical analysis and/or fundamental analysis to make informed decisions on when to buy or sell an asset. Explanation of technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is based on studying charts and patterns of past price movements to predict future market movements. Technical indicators such as moving averages or RSI help traders identify buy or sell signals. On the other hand, fundamental analysis involves evaluating a company's financial health, performance, economic factors, and relevant news to determine the intrinsic value of a stock. Fundamental traders focus on understanding the fundamentals of a company before making investment decisions. Exploring the reasons for getting involved in trading. Now, let's move on to the question of why people get involved in trading. There are several reasons that make trading attractive to many. 1. Profit potential. Trading offers the possibility of making significant profits in a short period, which appeals to those seeking lucrative investment opportunities. 2. Financial independence. Many people are drawn to the idea of having control over their finances and seeking financial independence through trading. 3. Flexibility and freedom. Trading can provide time flexibility and the ability to work from anywhere, making it an appealing option for those seeking a more flexible lifestyle. 4. Intellectual challenge. Trading is a constant intellectual challenge that requires analysis, quick decision-making, and risk management skills, which attracts those seeking mental stimulation. I hope you found this informative and helpful in understanding what trading is, how it works, and why people get involved in it. If you're interested in learning more about trading, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to receive future educational videos on trading strategies, market analysis, and much more. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.